Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials. Now begin. Open the Hangouts app and sign in with your Google account. Once signed in, make sure microphone and camera permissions are enabled because calls need both. Next, tap the plus icon in the lower right to start a new conversation or call. You do this to target the right contact quickly, which saves time. If you have many accounts, double-check the active account at the top so messages and calls come from the correct profile. Once done, find the people you want to reach. Search by name, email, or phone, select a single contact, or add multiple participants for a group call. Next, tap the video camera icon for a video call or the phone icon for audio only, and check the camera preview so framing and lighting look good. Make sure you know why you chose video versus audio. Video shows visual cues, audio saves bandwidth. Finally, use chat to share links or an agenda before joining. Finish strong. During the call, use mute, camera off, and speaker controls to manage audio and privacy. You can switch front to back camera if needed. When you need to show something, tap screen share or send a photo quickly. It keeps the session productive. When the meeting ends, press the red End Call button. If things go wrong, try this one key fix. Close and reopen the app, confirm permissions, and if needed, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data. That usually resolves connectivity or permission glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.